Dito sila mag-ano ng buko salad dito. So ayan, dito yung buko. At yung mga nagbebenta dito. Ayan, binubuksan na ni Uncle yung buko. So ito kasi kalaki, maliit lang siya yung nyog dito sa Ghana. Hello mga kagana, so andito kami ngayon sa bilihan ng buko dito sa may Islegon kasi mamaya magbubuko salad ako. So habang may ginagawa si kuya sa likod, magtitingin-tingin muna tayo kasi pumunta kami ng Melcom. So ito yung loob, ayan. Bibili kami, ayan. Ganito sila mag-ano ng buko salad dito. How much is this? It's fresh? Okay, that's good. Maybe we'll add more juice. Right? So magdadagdag kami ng juice para mas marami siya. And then open it and then take the meat, uncle. Ay, sorry. Puti yung damit. What's this, uncle? What's this? Juice?
Yeah.
So ayan, dito yung buko. At yung mga nagbebenta dito. I'm looking for more of this one. Is this water is juice, uncle? A sweet? Oh. This coconut is from where? Kumasi, Volta.
Central region.
Central region. Okay. That's good. So ito kasi yung mga niyog dito. So makikita nyo naman, maliliit siya pero matatamis. At siguradong... You sell this one also, uncle?
Yeah.
Okay. So meron sila ditong cake. This one is parang banana cake, cupcake at saka may sambusa. Ayan, so ganito yung mga binibenta nila dito. Actually marami nagbibenta dito ng nyog. Sa ngayon kasi ito, ang benta ni Uncle is magkano ba? 6. So tinawaran namin ng 5 para makamura. Mura na nga actually ito. Dati kasi medyo mahal yung bentahan ng mga nyog dito. So ngayon ay medyo mura yung bentahan ng nyog dito dati. Ngayon medyo mahal na. So dito tayo ngayon sa labas. Ayan. May makikita rin nagbibenta ng mga gown, mga damit-damit habang hinihintay yung buko na pinapaano natin kay Uncle. Kasi magagawa ko mamaya ng buko pandan para may pang-dessert kami. Ayan. How many pieces is this one now? Add more, Uncle.
7 pieces.
We'll add another bottle. So you can add another one to make it all 50 CDs including the bottle. Is that okay?
Should I add another?
How many pieces now? How many pieces now? 7. Make it 9. And make it all 50 CDs. Is that possible? So ayan. So this is the juice. That one is good for drinking every day, right?
Yes.
Aray, tumalsik kuya. This one, how many days before it gets spoiled?
If it's in the fridge, it can last to at least 1 week.
1 week? 1 month?
1 week.
Ah, okay.
In the freezer, it can last for like 2 weeks.
Ah, okay. That's good.
But when it's like this, roughly like 12 hours.
Ah, outside. Outside. But in the fridge,
In
1
the fridge,
week.
In the normal
Fridge, 1 week.
1 week. Freezer,
Ah,
like 2 weeks.
okay. So ganyan sila dito mag-ano ng niyog. So ang dami ng buko na nabenta ni Kuya. Ayan, super juicy. So I think it's I don't know. Asa?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Then open it, Uncle, and then take out the meat. Ayan, binubuksan na ni Uncle yung buko. Kasi dito masarap yung mga buko kahit maliliit. Actually yung 6 pesos magkano ba yung 6 pesos? Mga ano siguro to, ang isang peraso, magkano na nga yung palitan sa Pinas? Hindi, yung 1 CD, 3, 4. So 3 times 6, isang peraso nito 18 pesos. So mga 20 pesos isa, ganito kalaki. So ito kasi kalaki, maliit lang siya yung nyog dito sa Ghana. It's quite expensive, no? So Sa Pinas, malalaki yung nyug eh.
Pero minsan konti lang din ito sa atin. Depende sa atin.
Oo. Pero medyo may kamahalan siya. Totoo. Pero okay naman. So you take out the meat. Aray. Dami naman natatapon ng papel-papel. I think the meat is so soft, huh? It's very soft, uncle.
Yes, yes, it's very soft.
No, a little bit harder. That's,
You said you wanted soft one.
yeah, but not like this very soft. It's nothing. Look. So nila, ang lambot.
Alin?
Buko.
Kaya naman kasi, malaho.
Eh, paano yan? Pang buko pandan mamaya. Ay, ganito dapat, oh. This is what I'm looking for. Oo nga, eh, yung iba kasi ang lili, ang ano.
Di ba kailangan marami pa.
Hindi, sakto lang. Pang atin.
So what do you call this in Chinese?
Nyog.
Like Chinese.
No, Filipino. Say nyog.
New.
Buko.
Buko. So, nagtatanong ko ano yung laman. It's buko. This one, nyog. The meat is called buko. Like, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. So, ayan. Ayan yung karne. Buti may lagayan si kuya. Minsan sa plastic lang to eh.
Dapat maganda.
Ah.
Sulit na yung sa ismo.
Oh, sulit na yun. Sabi ko nga, siya ang para 50 lang at pati yung plastic. Tumawad pa, no? Binarat pa eh. So ganyan dito kasi kailangan mong baratin, lalo na pag makitang putika.
I heard in Philippines you have a lot of coconut.
Hey, there's a lot of coconut and your coconut here is very small. There is big. You know, he said that your head like that, bigger than that. That's the coconut in Philippines.
Oh, okay.
The coconuts are big. Here is very small. Yes.
They are big. but
Asa?
not big.
Or one more.
Yeah, a lot of.
Ayan. Nakikipagkwentuhan si kuya. Nagtatanong kung malalaki ba yung nyug. But this one is for Philippine is baby coconut.
Yes.
But there is very big. There's a big coconut here.
Yeah, there are lots of big.
I mean big one. Like my head.
Yes.
Ah, I haven't seen it before. Oh.
There are lots of big ones.
That's what you need to sell. Oh.
But that big ones are not really from Africa.
Ah, I thought it's from Africa. Asa?
Here, but originally they are not from Africa.
Ah, okay.
They were imported and implanted.
Dan, uncle? Asa?
Yeah, that's
Ay, ito lang? Ang kunti.
That's all for the...
Or lagyan na lang ng fruit cocktail.
Cocktail na lang.
Fruit cocktail, gulaman at saka buko.
Oo. Okay lang yun.
Nipabiling ko na lang si Tony. So, ang liit ng nyug. How much in all, uncle? 50 cedis. Gulat naman ako. Here, please. Thank you.
not anymore for the bottle.
Ha?
Forgotten about it.
I thought you added it to. Here, 5 cedis, uncle. May dasi Y. Okay, thank you. So, yun na yun. Nakabili na tayo ng buko. Ang liit. Kala ko ang dami. Pero okay lang. So, yun na po yung bilihan ng buko dito. Oh, sige, maraming salamat. Yun lang po. At least nakita yung bilihan ng buko dito.